Hello friends, today's my lecture topic is online education. So as we all know that online education is simply means to getting education from online means or from internet means. And COVID pandemic created a rise in online education, and that led to the debated issue because some people are thinking that it is a alternative for a classroom or some not. So today we will try to understand what are the pros and cons of online education. So firstly begin with the pros of the online education. So first that I feel is that and I just pointed out that we are living in a difficult situation of COVID, and the many schools are not open. So during the COVID day, they are able to get education and they are able to continue their education in a difficult time. And the second is that online education provides us a backup option, because if any students have any doubt in a particular concept, then he will be simply go for the particular video and he will watch again it and clear his doubt. And it also provides us if any student missed out some classes due to some reason, then he can watch the videos later, and he will be able to get the access of the classes, unlike the classroom learning. And the third that I would like to tell you is that online education created easiness to teachers to explain any concept in a effective manner, because from the online boards or the electronic boards, they have many softwares and instrument, of the, we can say, if any teacher want to explain the take any example of if any teacher want to explain the southwest monsoon, then he will be directly go for the map from internet and he will be able to explain it in a effective manner. So I think it also lead to the save of time of students as well as of the teachers. Okay, and now coming to the cons of online education, the first that I feel is that from as for the online education, students have to look at the screen continuously, then it create a headache or a health problem like eyesight, etc. And the second is that from on the online education, students are not able to get access to the outdoor games and the extra co-curricular activities, and also they are not able to create or make friends, and they are not able to interact with the with teachers in the physical manner. So this also create many problems. And the third that I feel is that we have seen recently that BCG report that says that said that in India the 70% kids are not able to access to the education during COVID time. And students that are belong to rural areas and the poor families, they are not able to purchase the we can say the online instruments like mobile phone, laptops, and any other means, online means. So yes, it create a inequality among the students in education, because if one student will that able to getting education and one is not. So yes, it also created that after we will shift towards the classroom course, then the teacher will face two type of student. Then it will be create a collaborating issue for the for teachers to compensate with both the students. Okay, so I finally I would like to tell you that online education is not entirely a alternative for the classroom learning, but yes, it is some for extent. So as we will end up the COVID pandemic, then we will go for classroom courses, because the many students are not able to getting education. Thank you.